What if I told you there's a Bentley so rare, only 3 right-hand drive models exist in the entire world? A car so exclusive that it features real 18-karat rose gold, crafted through 3D printing, a first in the automotive industry. Introducing the Black Rose Batur Coupe, Bentley's ultimate fusion of luxury, performance, and cutting-edge craftsmanship. This isn't just a car. It's a masterpiece on wheels. And today, we're diving deep into what makes this ultra-exclusive Bentley one of the most luxurious cars ever built. The Black Rose isn't just a name, it's a statement. Its deep, metallic black rose paint shimmers under different lights, sometimes looking dark and mysterious, other times glowing with an elegant richness. This unique color was developed exclusively for this car. But what truly sets it apart are the Satin Rose Gold Accents, delicately highlighting the grille, bonnet, mirror caps, and even the 22-inch tritone wheels. Bentley has taken personalization to a whole new level, ensuring that every curve and line radiates exclusivity. And let's not forget the carbon ceramic brakes with black calipers, adding a touch of stealth to this already menacing beauty. Now, step inside, and this is where the magic really happens. Bentley has introduced something never seen before: 3D printed, 18-karat solid rose gold elements. Yes, you heard that right. Over 210 grams of ethically sourced rose gold is featured in key areas, like the drive mode selector, organ stop vent controls, and even the steering wheel insert marker. It's a level of detail and craftsmanship that makes this interior feel more like a luxury timepiece than a car. The rest of the cabin is an exquisite blend of beluga leather, charcoal gray tweed fabric, and black rose painted veneers, creating a rich, dark, and sophisticated atmosphere. This is Bentley at its finest, where traditional luxury meets futuristic design. But don't let its elegance fool you, this beast packs a serious punch. Under the hood, a 6.0-liter W12 engine roars with an estimated 740 horsepower, making it one of the most powerful Bentleys ever built. With only 3 right-hand drive models in existence, the Black Rose isn't just rare, it's practically a collector's dream. So, what do you think? Is the Black Rose the most luxurious Bentley ever made? Would you drive a car that features actual rose gold? Let us know in the comments. And if you love exclusive cars, luxury innovations, and cutting-edge tech, don't forget to subscribe to Curious Corner and hit that bell icon, because we bring you the most fascinating stories from around the world. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.